So now
171.
we're doing math. Fractions, whole numbers,
Me just random
mixed
questions.
mixed numbers.
And me.
This is how much we're...
Reagan solving ginormous problems in his head.
5 times 7
Mariah
is
learning mixed number.
820.
Look how much you
Fractions.
got on here.
This is us remembering to do homework when it's actually bedtime.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oops.
it's 826.
Oops. And Mariah does not want to have to stay in during recess tomorrow, huh?
826.
And it's gonna be in Miss Thorne's room doing a lot of math.
Yeah.
So I don't want to do that. Can I do this inside? Mom, do you want me to do this one now?
Yes.
Okay.
Which one is it?
This one.
Okay. Look at my little math scholar.
Okay.
And then Reagan, my human calculator.
75 times 7 is 8.
And then someone heard us having fun doing math
And now she's just lying down.
and wanted to see what was going on. Huh, Fernicus? 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 Oh, kitty. She's got to be in on everything. First side of the page.
Done.
Done! Whee!
Now that.
We filled up this side and all of this side.
But we're going to use the little spaces in between, huh?
Yeah. Oh, there's still some.
Because we don't want to waste paper.
Yeah.
What was that? Kitty, stop distracting us. We're doing homework.
She's the tutor now.
Kitty,
She's very absent-minded.
Kitty. Mariah is trying to focus and earn her extra recess and treat at school tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But then the cat is distracting us. Same with
Kitty.
Reagan. Reagan's distracting me too.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, by making ginormous problems inside.
But then there's Kitty. Fernicus. Do you want to do math? Kitty.
You can do the rest of my paper.
Yeah, how about you do the homework?